everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to bring you guys my CVS haul. I was actually pretty excited to go shopping today. I had a lot of CRTs, I had a lot of double CRTs. The store manager, she's like, wow, you actually got a lot of stuff this time. And I'm like, yeah, I was pretty excited. So I got a lot of stuff. Money didn't turn out in my favor. Last week I ended up breaking my transaction into 4. This time I just did it all at once, which I actually wish I did break up my transaction, but I didn't realize it until it's too late. So not a big deal. I ended up paying with a gift card, so I didn't end up using any of my money anyways. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. I will have all the pictures of everything that I got at the end of the video, and I will also will have a printable breakdown for you guys for majority of the deals. So the first deal I got is the Clean and Clear. Now this was on sale for $16.99. I had a $6 off digital, and I had a $7 off CRT for this. So you would end up paying $3.99 for this, but there is a $4 extra care buck that you get with this, so this comes out to be free. Was 20 bucks, you get it for free. I think that's a great deal. I ended up doing this deal. Now, it wasn't the greatest deal, but I like Persil, and so I'm excited to share with that. I can't grab the other one. So I ended up getting 2 of the Persil, and then this whole bag is completely filled of Kleenex. So I got 6 boxes of Kleenex. So the Persil was $5.99 and the Kleenex was 2 for $3. So I got $9 worth of Kleenex and these. It was a deal for if you spend $20 you get $5. So what I ended up doing is I had a $2 off insert coupon and I had a $2 off digital coupon. I also had a $1 off Persil CRT. So I ended up using that. With the Kleenex, I had I had one where it was $1 off of 2, and then I had $2 off of 3 Kleenexes. So I did that. So your total came to $12.98, but then I got $5 back for spending $20, making my total just $7.98, or if you think about it, 99 cents or something like that, a box. So whatever, I'm not going to figure out, like, I just figured out it was 99 cents, but give or take on what you want to do. And then you also get points through Fetch Rewards for the Kleenex. So just wanted to share with you guys on that, but I was excited to get the Persil because I haven't bought Persil in a very long time. I ended up getting the L'Oreal Paris. My store was completely sold out of this stuff. Like they had just enough for me to get a pair. So these were 2 for $8. I used a 3 off of 2 insert coupon. Paid $5 for this, but then you get $3 back in an extra care buck, making these $2 or $1 each. Great deal. I have to go through my stockpile stuff. It's like overflowing. So got that. Now I ended up getting the Speed Stick. Now these this women's Speed Stick were completely sold out because my store sells those for $3.17, but the men's are $4.19, and they're buy one get one 50% off. I had 2 off of 2 Speed Stick coupons, so I got $4 off of that. So my total was $2.28, but when you buy 2 of them, you get a $2 extra care buck, making these just 28 cents or 14 cents each, which is a great deal. So got those. Okay. I ended up doing the Monofil. Now here's the thing. I could not figure out what the website was on it, and then, anyways, my store had these marked 4 for $20 last week. I saw that, and they were 4 for $20 this week, and it says it ends the 23rd. So I went and scanned it, and it did show that it was on sale for $9.99. So you'd spend that, then you get $9 back, making these just 99 cents. So they're really trying to get rid of those, I think, because they have so many of them that I think that's just an item that they ordered way too much, and they're just trying to get over it. Now here is a great deal for the makeup wipes. Now these were $7.49. They were buy one get one 40% off. I had a $1 off digital. I'm not sure, I didn't have a $1 off printable. I kind of took those out and I don't know if those expired or not. I have no idea. But I ended up using the $1 off digital. Ended up getting a $2.50 CRT, a 2 off of 8 CRT, and a $3 off CRT. So those are the same CRTs I got like 2 weeks ago. Paid $3.48 for these, but you get a $2 extra care buck back, making these $1.48 or 74 cents each. These are the ones in the regular like skincare aisle, not the ones over by the makeup. I did scan the ones by the makeup, but nothing popped out for that. And then I'm gonna just grab the rest of the stuff in the bag. So I ended up doing the Irish Spring body wash because I ended up getting some CRTs for it. So these were $4, or the Irish Spring was $4.99. I had a $2 off coupons that we got from our inserts last week, and then I decided to get a soft soap because I'm like, I have enough Irish Spring. I don't have any soft soap. So I did that, and then I received two different 2 off of 2 CRTs for Irish Springs and soft soap. So I ended up using those. Paid $8.97 for the 3 of these, but you get $5 back when you buy 3 of them. Comes up to be $3.97 or just $1.32 each. So it's an okay deal if you guys need to get some of that. I just like to share with you guys as many deals as possible because everybody is in a different situation and needs different things. I ended up getting the paparazzi nail polish. Now this isn't the regular nail polish. This is in a different spot. This is over where all the glamorous nail polishes are. So these were 2 for $8 or $4.99 each. You'd pay $8 for this, but then you get an $8 extra care buck, making these free. I ended up getting the Movie Star. I think this is a very pretty pink. It's kind of iridescent. My daughter's really into wearing nail polish lately, so I thought that'd be a cute color for her. And then I ended up getting just a regular clear coat because it's nice. I have to redo my black nail polish. Got that. So then I decided to get the micellar, the Garnier Fructis wipes. Not Garnier Fructis. Garnier Fructis white, or Garnier wipes. Anyways, I was gonna get those, but then I'm like, let's just see if we got these, because I'm hearing better things with these than the wipes anyways, and I have tons of wipes anyways. So these were $9.99. They were buy one, get one 40% off. I had a digital $2 off coupon and an insert $2 off coupon. I had a $2 CRT and a $2 CRT. So I decided to use those. Paid $7.98. Got $5 back in an extra care buck, making it $2.98 or just $1.49 each. So that's an okay deal. Like I said, I got too many wipes anyways, but those were $6.79. So it would have been a whole lot cheaper out of pocket, but that is okay because sometimes you should get stuff that you need. So that was my haul, you guys. So oh no, wait, I got more. I'm like, what? So I ended up doing the candy bar deal where it was buy 5, get 5 for 15. So what I ended up doing is I bought 3 of the Butterfingers and I bought 2 of the Quick Trips, the Kit Kats, because I have enough Butterfingers to last me a lifetime, and I'm like, let's take advantage of this. So what I did is I bought 3 of the Butterfingers and I used that 2 off of 3 insert coupon that we got a couple weeks ago. And then I also, with all 5 of them, I used that 5 off of 15 CRT. So I ended up using that. Paid $8, but then you can actually submit a 50-cent rebate for the Butterfinger with Ibotta. So if you did all 5, you get $2.50 back. I only did 3, so I got $1.50 back. So my grand total for all 5 bags was $6.50 or $1.30. It's up to you guys, but you know, that's cheap Halloween candy for me to pass out in my area. And I have a hankering for Kit Kat bars, so I got tons of Butterfingers. I don't even know how much Halloween candy I have, but yes. Okay, I ended up doing the candy bar deal. Now these were 2 for $2, and then you pay $2 for it, but then you get a $1 extra care buck back, making these just $1 or 50 cents each. So we got that. And then I ended up doing the toothpaste deal. So the toothpaste was $3.99. We did receive a 2 off of 2 insert coupon, but I had a $2 off digital coupon and I had a 50-cent off digital coupon, or I could have used the 50-cent insert coupon. I also, or you would pay $5.48 for this, but then you get $5 back in an extra care buck, making it 48 cents. So if you guys need to get some toothpaste, it's an okay deal. Now, what I should have done is I should have separated my transaction and rolled my extra care bucks, but I didn't. Before, in the past, I used to have like $100 worth of extra care bucks. Now I have like 30, and I'm just trying to kind of get them raised up a little bit. So that's the reason why I kind of did what I did, because, you know, the holidays are coming and stuff, and it's nice to have extra care bucks. So my total came to $40.13. Like I said, I paid with a gift card. I redeemed one of my gift cards from I think it was Ibotta, but I redeemed a gift card, and so I didn't pay any of my own money. I just, with my Ibotta, I roll my gift cards. So anyways, I used $41 of extra care bucks, but I did receive $49 back, so I am getting a little bit better. If I did do this in separate transaction, it would have been a whole lot better for me, but I didn't even think about it until it was too late. I used to do that in the past, but you know what, that's fine. Everybody makes mistakes. I'm not saying I really made a mistake. I'm just saying that's okay. That's okay. But for Ibotta, I did receive $1.50 back. So if you think about it, my grand total came to $30.63. I got 32 items at 95 cents each, so it's a little bit high, but the thing is, like, some of you guys start out, I mean, the thing is, you don't expect to get everything for free. That's how you start. So, I mean, if you pretty much go get rid of all your extra care bucks and you start from where you started, that's basically what you guys would pay. It takes time to get to the free. So that's okay. I'm not sad or anything, because it teaches everybody a lesson. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Help me get to 50,000. I am less than 400 away. I would be awesome if I could hit it before Halloween, you guys. So it's like 2 weeks, a little less than 2 weeks before it. So let's hit 50,000 for Halloween. That is my goal. But yeah, right after that, I'll be doing some gift cards and I'll be doing some giveaways and everything. Great time to do this stuff before Christmas and holidays, because I know they're gonna start Black Friday like super early this year. So anyways, thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye bye.